Today we'll work on Leetcode 3191, the minimum operations to make binary array elements equal to 1. And let's see what this problem is about. So there is a binary array names, which means at each position is either 1 or 0. So the operation we are allowed to do is choose any 3 consecutive elements from the array and flip all of them. And flipping one element means changing its value from 0 to 1 or from 1 to 0. So we're required to return the minimum number of operations to make all the elements equal to 1. And if it's impossible, return -1. I think there's a similar problem on Leetcode before. The only difference is that problem is required to make all the elements equal to 0, but this one is just equal to 1. And we can directly do it with one key observation. The key observation is the sequence of flip does not matter. Okay? Suppose you are able to flip all the elements to 1, then no matter how you arrange this flip sequence, it doesn't matter. So in this way, we can do all the flip from left to right on each index. Okay, then we get the minimum. Let's see how to write the code. So I equals 0, I less than nums I plus I. And if at position we need I plus 2 because we need to find 3 numbers, right? So if this is 0, then we will flip it, right? We will flip it, and we will flip the other 2 followed by this one, right? So it's just right? And I think we are done here. We just need to check whether the last 2 elements are if the last 2 elements are 1. So if nums back equals 0 or nums minus 2 equals 0, return -1. Then we just return res. Oh, we do res increase, right? Let's see. Wrong answer. Let's write. What's happening? So we flip it if it's 0, right? And if back is 0 or so before back is 0, we return -1. Otherwise, we return res ++. If this position is 0, we do nothing. If it's 1, we do nothing. If it's 0, we will need to flip it, right? In order to flip it, we just 1 minus this number. If it's 0, it changes to 1. If it's 1, it changes to 0. Oh, this is size, right? Okay, and I think we will pass. Yeah. So this should be size. Yeah, don't make this mistake. And I think that's it for this problem. And thank you for watching. See you next time.